How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 55 Chevy 210 done in a gorgeous Burgundy Mist. Super nice car, guys. Car's real straight, flat. All the chrome, the grill, everything just looks like new. Very, very nice car. All the stainless trim on the car is very nice. You can see the car's real straight, flat down the sides. Got a set of 15-inch American Racing torque thrust on it. It's all the taillight bezels, the rear bumper, everything looks very, very nice. All the side glass has been tinted. It's got tinted windshield. It's got the disc brakes up front. It's got a crate 350 in it. Makes about 300 horse. It's got your power disc brakes on it. Nice aluminum radiator. Aluminum intake, an Edelbrock carb. It's got a 200 R4 overdrive automatic trans in it with a LoKar shifter. It's got posi rear with a 355 gear. So all the dash is really nice in the car. I tell you, I really like the burgundy cloth interior. Goes real nice with the outside. The headliner's really nice in the car. Interior's very tastefully done. All the jams are nice in the car. It's got a hidden stereo system. It's mounted under the seat with a remote. They move the battery to the trunk. The kicker and the amp, that could be removed easily if you didn't like it. But I tell you, the paint on the car, very, very nice paint on this car. Been done quite some time. It still looks like it was just done. Got the tach on the dash, on the column, and the trio gauge is nicely mounted under the dash. Got your front seat belts, kick panel speakers. It's just a super nice little 55, guys. Fires right up. Got a nice little cam and stuff in it. Sounds good out the exhaust. Got headers and duals out the back, nice little flow masters. You can just get in this car, cruise it, go anywhere you want to go, cruise around town, get it out on the freeway. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com or visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. day, folks.